Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. As you can see by the title of this video, I have a Hobby Lobby clearance haul. So the first thing I have to show is Fountain Pen India ink. It was originally $5.99. I paid $1.49. It's a good sized bottle too. I was like, damn, nice. Look how big this is. That's cool. I got that. I kind of got the last ends of stuff because I didn't go all last week. And I found one little Bombay Indian ink mega. Oh, this was originally $5.99. I don't know if I mentioned that. This was $5.99 too, down to $1.49. $1.49. And then Joe asked me to pick, if I happen to see the embossing powders, to grab whatever they had for her. So I got 2 yellow for her. They were $1.49, originally $5.99. And I got like some like silver tone, a couple of them, like a, let's see, a gold, and this one is, what is this one? I can't, let's see, they're covered up the name. Oh, so it's like a silver, it's like a sand color, and a green. I got 2 greens and another gold. So I got those for Joe. I'll be mailing those out to her in a few days. They're in this bag right here. Then, here's my goodness. And this is the most expensive stamp I bought that was on clearance. It was originally $12.99. I paid $3.24 for it. It is the Spellbinders clear stamp, Route 66. I like the truck. It has a gas pump, Route 66. Keep on moving. Happy birthday. Happy travels. Tire tracks. Hit the road. The sign, it says Route 66. This one says Route 66 in one way. Looks like that. And that way. And let's see. That was originally $12.99 down to $3.24, if anybody's curious. Look at these all in order. Oh, yep. Alright. The next one I have is this one. This one was originally $11.99 down to $2.99. It's the little envelopes. I thought it was so cute. It says hello. It's like that. And then the next ones were, and this is made by Spellbinders. This is made by, I can't, Studio something it says on there. Let's see. Hero Arts. Hero Arts. Spellbinders Hero Arts. These are made by Stampedius. They were originally $10.99 down to $2.74. Like that's a bird's return. Using notes and birds. And then like the honeycomb. I call it, looks like honeycomb to me. Good, great mixed media. Or netting because it's ripped. So it's probably more like netting because it's the way that's ripped. That was another $2.74. And then this one, I can't wait to stamp this out and color this because look at the butterfly, and then to me it looks like a sunflower, but I could be mistaken, but I'm going to make it look like sunflower. And that was another $2.74 one. And let's see what I got. These were Stampedius too. These were $8.99 and I paid $2.24. Got some script writers ones. Looks like script. And then found a truck one. I said, look at it. It's Zeus Stemmen's dogs in the back of the truck right there. Got that one. And then these two were, let's see. $1.99. They were originally $7.99. A flower one. And then this one has flowers and butterflies and foliage. Like that. And then these, and those are Momenta. Okay. And then these are Hip Stamp Hooray. And they're American Crafts. They were $1.49, originally $5.99. This one is like postage stamps. Looks like that. U.S. postage via mail. I can't read that. I'll have to check it out. But it's very pretty. I like it. I can't even read that. This side of card is for address. Okay. Received a stamp. I'm trying to figure out what that says here. I can't. I'll have to get my magnifying glass to read that. But it looks like that. And this one's cool. Look at this one. An atlas. Thought that was cool. Name on the back? No. So that is my stamps I picked up. Which were awesome deal. Awesome. And then came across these. And there's a little treat sacks that look like wood grain. They were 49 cents. And I only thought, I didn't pay any attention. I grabbed what they had. Not realizing there's 24 in each bag. So I had a lot of treat bags in. But I thought somebody else wanted some too. But they already found some. So got that. And that is my Hobby Lobby haul. I think I made out good here. It's my birthday present to myself right there. My birthday. Which is on the 7th of March. So, yeah. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. So, go check out your Hobby Lobby. You may be surprised what you may find. They had archival inks, but I have for $1.49, I want to say. But I have enough archival ink, and I thought about buying them. I had them in my cart. He'd hot about it, and then I put them back. They had Prisma markers, and I just bought markers, so I didn't need them. But if I didn't buy the ones I already bought, I probably would have loaded up on Prisma markers too. But I didn't. I was good. But I want to thank you guys for watching. So go check out your nearest Hobby Lobby, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.